your Miss Sunshine. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, it's very special because we will be doing an unboxing and also first impression on a brand and also sa first products na nilaunch nila. So this brand is actually based in Cebu. So excited ako kasi I just got the product now and I will be unboxing it with you guys. So this is the package I just received. Ayan siya. Ayan. Ganito siya kalaki. But, actually, in-open ko na siya using scissors kasi para hindi ako mahirapan sa inyo, guys. So, open na natin. Let's check. Excited ako dito kasi nakita ko sa mga my stories nila, sa mga ibang nakakuha rin ito. Ang ganda ng packaging. So, ooh! Wow! It's color pink, my favorite color. So, it's this one. Okay. Wow! Ayan siya, guys. Ito siya kalaki. Excited ako. So, wow! Sobrang matagal ko hinintay ito. So, we'll do the unboxing now. But before that, you know what to do. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's do the unboxing. XYZA POWERLASH bottle. So, let's see. Uy, meron siyang paper here. It's POWERLASH. Welcome to the XYZA women community. May pa-message sila. Meron din silang directions on how to use, mga precautions, and yun. Merong message yung CEO ng XYZA, which is Veronica. Thank you, Veronica. Super ganda nito. And meron ding yung mga social media nila. So, I'm gonna link it down below, guys, para makita nyo. And, excited ako dito. Let's open it. So, ganito yung lagayan ng POWERLASH. Nag-focus ba ganyan? So, open ko na to. Ang ganda niya! Look! So nice! Ayan. Ayun. So nice, guys! POWERLASH. Nakikita niya ba? Ayun. Ayan. Look. Ang ganda ng bottle. So, I share this brand to you guys because I love their advocacy. Their advocacy is all about women empowerment. So, they believe that women are bold, confident, and empowered inside, which is, I also believe. And super nice lang talaga. And I'm really looking forward for more of their products na ilo-launch nila because it is really made for women to have the confidence sa sarili nila and not just, you know, not just being beautiful outside but also beautiful inside. So, I'm really supporting this brand, guys. So, I hope you check them out because, wala, for me, I want to work with a brand that is, you know, yung business na not just making money but also having its purpose and meron talagang heart. May puso talaga yung brand. So, yun yung gusto ko talaga. And yes, and also good news kasi meron silang giveaway. It's 10,000 worth of beauty products from XYZA. So you may check them out. I will link it down below para makasali kayo guys. Kasi I think this October lang siya. So make sure you join. Just click the link below sa description box para makasali kayo. Kasi super nice guys. And next video natin, i-update ko kayo if it's really effective yung Power Lash. Kasi excited na rin ako malaman if talagang hahaba talaga yung eyelashes ko. So, i-video ko rin yun for you guys. So, thank you for watching this video and make sure you like this video and also follow me on social media and click the bell icon below so that updated kayo sa mga videos ko. Thank you guys! See you soon! Bye!